Hi, ladies. Today I'm going to speak about um glass skin and my way to achieve that goal. Actually, I use uh, AHA and BHA soluble solutions, which is alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid. Both of them are used for cleaning the skin and the skin surface. So, the HAA is, for example, acid from the milk, could be from the beta BAA is, for example, silica acid. AHA melted the dirt that sits on the top of the skin, which contains dead cells, some dust, some residuals, makeups, and so on and so on. Pollution as well. The BHA goes deeper into the pores and clean the skin. Both of them, combination of both of them, is helping the skin to become more clean and the pore to be less visible. Which one I use, I can show you. I use this kind of combination. Uh, and later on, I'll give you uh, in the comment box, I'll give you the information about this brand. Uh, Once per week, I put uh, like a mask with a brush and keep for 10 minutes, only 10 minutes. Wash it properly with lukewarm water, and after that, can nourish the skin for the nights because it's a night treatment. Let's say snail mucus. I can give you that one information. It's a good brand from Amazon, and also can use some oils. For example, castor oil. This one is also good, and some additional oils like for example, avocado oil or something else, almond oil or whatever is used for your skin and good for your skin. The next day, though, the next day, uh, the night, I use retinol. What the retinol does, retinol is cleaning and it's a form of vitamin A. It actually help uh, the skin to be clean from acne or another problems with the skin. It's helping for turnover the cells, which generates after 28 days and become new, fresh skin cells. Um, Actually, after those 2 days, I use, for example, again oils that I like, or some night nourishing cream like this one. I'll give you the information for this cream as well. It's a very good Korean brand that gives mm, very good nourishment and very good support nighttime to the skin. Very important, very important, very important is the next day to use sun protection after the hydration of the skin, after the moisturizing the skin, and wear hats, wear sunglasses and stay out of the sun. It's important to take care properly, take care about the skin and the eyes as well. Uh, See you and thank you for your time watching this video. If you like it, if you find it useful for you and informative, please leave me comments below or subscribe for it. And see you next time. Be healthy and be beautiful. Bye.